Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Hey guys, I'm Karima.
And I'm Rahma.
And today we're participating at a workshop in our local museum. But first, look at this beautiful architect. It was made by a British Iraqi architect, Zaha Hadid. Their amazing work is all over the globe. It is very inspiring. We're going to do a voiceover because it was really loud in the workshop.
Today we were working with clay, and these are some work that kids did.
I decided to make a turtle, and I named her Shelly. I made a turtle because it was too hard to make a fox, so I made my second favorite animal.
I decided to make a dinosaur for my baby cousin.
This is Omer, our cousin, and give him a big thumbs up. I started working on the legs. It was hard to get them all even and make them look like a turtle's legs.
Oh my god, what? I like the scarf.
So finally I'm adding the last details on my dinosaur.
And I am making a shell for my turtle and keeping the head intact. And the eyes.
So that's my dinosaur ready, and I'm going to paint it at home.
There's my turtle. And I'm also going to paint it at home. After that, we decided to explore the museum more. I brought Shelly with me. We came to the end of our video. Thank you guys for watching. Please give us a like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at RKTwinLife. Thanks for watching. Bye.